Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to view the previous prompts on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I've already signed in to my Gemini account. You can also sign in right now, or if you have not created an account, you can simply create it. You just need to create a Google account. Now let's begin. If I look at the left side of the screen, that is on the recents, there are lots of chats here. Let's click on it. And as you can see, there's a prompt right here. Let's go to some other chats. The prompts are available right here. If you scroll up, you will find other prompts here as well. You can do the same for these many chats available here. And there's another way to look at the prompts. If you look closely here, in between the help and settings, there's something like activity. Let's click on it. You will be redirected to another page. And if you scroll down, here is the Today tab. And it will show something like this. Prompted. It shows all your activities on Gemini AI, the feedbacks I gave, and the prompts I did right here. All the prompts that I had searched for are simply available to view from here. Looks like we've reached the end. This is a simple method to look at all your previous prompts. It shows all your activity and such. And if you simply want to delete all of them, here is the option of delete, last hour, last day, all day, custom range, you can select anyone, and confirm. Got it. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you view your previous prompts on Gemini AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for new content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.